perjalanan Anda di rute SH2, Blok M sampai dengan Bandara Soekarno-Hatta.
You're standing at one of Jakarta's most iconic shopping and culinary hubs, Blok M. But today, you're not here to shop. You're here to catch a bus that's about to change the way you think about getting to the airport.
Silakan yang belum melakukan tapping bisa tapping terlebih dahulu.
This is the TransJabodetabek SH2 route, a brand new connection between Blok M and Soekarno-Hatta International Airport. And here's the best part. A full journey costs just 3,500 Indonesian Rupiah. That's roughly 22 cents in US dollars. For a 65-kilometer trip across Jakarta's sprawling landscape. The route itself is a journey through Jakarta's heart. Starting from Blok M, the bus winds through the city's most important corridors. You'll pass Bundaran Senayan, a major intersection in South Jakarta. Then comes Summit Mas, a commercial landmark, and Gelora Bung Karno, the massive sports complex that hosted the Asian Games. There are 23 stops in total along this route, 13 within Jakarta and 10 beyond the city limits. That means whether you're heading to the airport or just need to get somewhere along the way, this bus has you covered. It's not just an airport shuttle, it's a legitimate public transportation option. Now, here's where things get interesting. After passing through the central areas, the bus enters the toll road system. This is crucial. Unlike regular city buses that get stuck in Jakarta's notorious traffic, this route uses the toll highway network, which means faster, more predictable travel times. On a Sunday afternoon, like the journey you're watching now, the trip took just 55 minutes. That's remarkably efficient for a 65-kilometer journey. The bus passes through key toll checkpoints and maintains a steady pace, getting you closer to the airport with each passing kilometer.
Perjalanan Anda di rute SH2, Blok M sampai dengan Bandara Soekarno-Hatta. Saat ini Anda berada di bus medie 484 dengan pramudi Bapak Nugroho. Ini dilengkapi dengan kursi prioritas, apar CCTV, dan alat keselamatan lainnya. Periksa kembali barang bawaan Anda dan hati-hati saat melanggar. Jika terjadi adanya indikasi pelanggaran hukum atau pelecehan seksual, segera laporkan kepada saya. Terima kasih telah menikmati perjalanan Anda.
Now, if you're traveling with luggage, and let's be honest, most people taking this bus to the airport are, the bus has you covered. There's a dedicated space on the left side of the bus specifically designed for storing bags and suitcases. It's a thoughtful feature that acknowledges the reality of airport travel. The bus itself is a Metro Trans low-deck design, which means easy boarding and alighting even with heavy luggage. The seating is comfortable and there's plenty of standing room for other passengers. It's designed with travelers in mind, not just commuters. As the bus continues its journey on the toll highway, you'll notice something remarkable: the smoothness of the ride. The dedicated toll lanes mean fewer stops, fewer traffic jams, and a much more predictable travel experience. This is what separates the SH2 from regular city buses struggling through Jakarta's congested streets. The landscape outside gradually transforms. You'll leave the urban core of Jakarta behind, passing through suburban areas, industrial zones, and eventually reaching the outskirts where the airport infrastructure begins to dominate the horizon. It's a fascinating transition that shows how far the airport is from the city center, yet how efficiently this bus route bridges that distance. Now you're entering the airport zone. The signs are unmistakable. Directional markers pointing towards Soekarno-Hatta International Airport start appearing. You'll see airport-related infrastructure, cargo facilities, and the unmistakable architecture of an international aviation hub. The anticipation builds as you realize you're almost there. What's impressive is how seamlessly the bus integrates into this airport ecosystem. This isn't some makeshift shuttle. It's a professionally operated service that's been designed to be part of the airport's transportation infrastructure. You're not just getting closer to your destination, you're experiencing a modern, integrated transportation system in action. As you approach the airport, the landscape changes. You'll see the immigration office, a sign that you're getting close. Then comes the railway station, Stasiun KA Bandara, where the bus makes one of its final stops before the airport terminals themselves. You've arrived at the railway station. Now comes the final leg of your journey to the airport terminals. Here, you'll board the Soekarno-Hatta Airport SkyTrain. And here's the best news: it's completely free. The SkyTrain is a modern automated system that connects the railway station directly to the airport terminals. It's fast, clean, and efficient. In just a few minutes, you'll be at your terminal, ready to check in for your flight.
Welcome to SkyTrain.
And there you have it, from the heart of Jakarta to the gates of one of Southeast Asia's busiest airports. A journey that's affordable, efficient, and surprisingly comfortable. The TransJakarta SH2 isn't just a bus route, it's a game changer for anyone traveling between central Jakarta and the airport.